Hey, also I'm at my local Habitat for Humanity corporate office, and I'm going to be giving them a 2-day makeover for their bathrooms, and I want to take you guys along with me. I've got a bunch of tools in my truck. I have a bunch of materials from the Restore that I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and get this adventure started. I don't usually work for others, but when the executives at my local Habitat office asked me to come in and take a look at their dated bathrooms, I just couldn't say no. In my head, I thought it would be a quick 2-day renovation I could accomplish over the weekend, but it turned into a 3.5-day marathon. I first had my electrician change out the old fluorescent light with a brighter and less flickery LED light. After pulling out the vanity, my plumber showed up to disconnect the toilet and the sink. Then it was time to patch the walls and prep for painting. Sophie and I worked most of the day on Saturday and got both rooms painted and then laid LVT waterproof flooring in one bathroom. The flooring goes in very easily, but we did have to slow down to cut around the toilet flange and the doorways. The laminate tiles cut easily with a utility knife, but we found it easiest to use a jigsaw when cutting circles and profiles. After Sophie left, I tackled the second bathroom floor, working late into the night. It's amazing what a difference the new waterproof LVT flooring makes in these bathrooms. Today is day 3 of the Habitat makeover. I've got to finish today because the plumber's going to come back on Monday. So got a bunch of boards loaded up. We're going to install those. It's going to look phenomenal. I'm super excited. Let's get busy. Luckily, I had Stephanie's help today. We worked together to sand and prep the reclaimed lumber from the Restore for installation. We ran out of weathered boards, so had to improvise with a vinegar and steel wool concoction that I had whipped up the night before. After the boards were dry, she and I clad the back walls of the bathrooms with the reclaimed lumber. We could have used construction adhesive, but we decided to use finished nails just so that they can remove them if they ever change their mind and don't like it anymore. To achieve the striped look, we alternated the weathered side with the protected side of the wood. These were originally subflooring in an old house, so they have lots of character, nail holes, and a beautiful warm color. To protect the wood, we coated it with a flat varnish just to repel any water that would splash on it. Back in the Restore. Are we shopping?
No, I'm not shopping for me. I'm shopping for the project we're working on right now.
What are you looking for? What are we looking for?
Oh, table leg. Vanity leg.
Or a newel post. Either or. Something for a leg. We find, Stephanie.
We found our leg.
It's like a peg leg. Our sink is going to have a peg leg. All right, let's do this. So here's what we're doing. We want this to be, this is the bottom, we want this to be off the floor so that it doesn't get water and rotted. And so Stephanie found this is just like a closet curtain rod hook, we think. That's going to go in there, so we're drilling out the center. One of the bathrooms is getting a standard base cabinet for the sink, but the other one got a handicap accessible sink. So originally I thought we could secure the sink to the studs, but then discovered that the studs were all metal, so we decided to add one leg to the front corner of the sink apron for more support. On the afternoon of day 4, my plumber came back to install the new toilets courtesy of Wilkinson Supply Company and the sink faucets. Stephanie and I worked feverishly ahead of him trying to get everything put back into the bathrooms. One of the mirrors I found for cheap at a thrift store. The other one was a gold frame from the Restore. I simply replaced the picture with mirrored glass. This is a little message area that I made by screwing 2 drawers together. Are you ready to see the final results? First, here's a reminder of what the bathroom looked like just 4 days earlier. I have to give a big shout out to Sophie and Stephanie who came in and helped me on this project and gave up their weekend. Also, a big thank you to ALM Plumbing and to Wilkinson Supply for donating the toilets. See you guys next time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.